Every single morning you are given a silent invitation not to just wake up, but to wake up to yourself. Shi Heng Yi, a Shaolin monk, says, "The way you start your day becomes the way you live your life." In this moment, before notifications, deadlines, or distractions, you get to choose. Will you live consciously or automatically? Morning is when you plant the seed of discipline, peace, and clarity, and how you care for that seed is how your life will grow. Scientifically, your brain is most receptive in the first 30-60 minutes after waking. This is when your subconscious is still active, your cortisol is naturally rising focus hormone, your brain is primed to absorb new information, direction, and energy. Shi Heng Yi doesn't just believe in spiritual alignment, he aligns with natural law. Early hours equals high awareness plus low noise. That's why monks wake up before sunrise. They catch the world before it wakes up. You don't have to be a monk, just someone who respects the silence. Let's walk through a Shaolin-inspired morning. Male, wake up with a soft breath, no phone person. Female, 5 minutes of meditation, nothing fancy, just being still, yin kai gong. Slow movement, control, breath writing. Write your intention. Today I will remain calm. Teacup without handle, make tea slowly, quietly, and just drink. This is not about productivity. It's about preparing the mind and soul to handle the world. Most people check 10 apps before they've even spoken to themselves. Shi Heng Yi teaches, first return to yourself, then face the world. Let's be real, Sonny, this one's for you. You tried to wake up early last week, but that alarm hit different, didn't it? The problem isn't the alarm clock. It's the lack of intention. If you don't have a reason to rise, you'll keep pressing snooze. Waking up early feels hard because your evening habits are broken. Too much phone, no sleep schedule, no tomorrow plan solution. Start the night before. Crescent moon, no screens, 30 mins before bed. Brain, write 3 priorities for tomorrow. Bed, tell yourself, tomorrow is mine. Discipline doesn't start at 5 a.m., it starts at 9 p.m. Shi Heng Yi lives by a powerful truth. A small change made consistently becomes great change over time. Wake up just 15 minutes earlier each week. Don't aim for 5 a.m. on day 1. That's a setup for guilt. Aim for 1% better. Day 1. Get up at 7:00. Right arrow, drink water. Day 3. Get up at 6:45. Right arrow, stretch. Day 5. Get up at 6:30. Right arrow, right intentions. That's real growth. Let's take a break for Sonny's version of waking up. Alarm goes off. He stares at the ceiling like it owes him money. Rolls over. Praise it's Sunday. Hears mom yelling, "Utho, com ka whacked ho gaya." Finally gets up, straight to phone. No water, no light, no soul. Weary face. We've all been there. But what if we flipped it? Sonny wakes up, right arrow, 5 jumping jacks, still half-ass. Leap face with tears of joy, plays his fav music. Right arrow dances like nobody's watching. They're not. Trust me, writes, I'll win today. 1% daily equals 37x better in a year. Not hype math. Let's take a break for Sonny's version of waking up. Alarm goes off. He stares at the ceiling like it owes him money. Rolls over. Praise it's Sunday. Hears mom yelling, "Utho, com ka whacked ho gaya." Finally gets up, straight to phone. No water, no light, no soul. Weary face. We've all been there. But what if we flipped it? Sonny wakes up, right arrow, 5 jumping jacks, still half-ass. Leap face with tears of joy, plays his fav music. Right arrow dances like nobody's watching. They're not. Trust me, writes, I'll win today. Sips chai like a monk person in lotus position C. Same guy, just one conscious choice different. When you wake up early and keep your promise to yourself, you start seeing yourself as someone who shows up. And that's powerful, Shi Heng Yi says. Repetition is the mother of mastery, but intention is the father of identity. You are not just building a habit, you're building a new version of you. Each early morning, you say I matter, you say I lead, you say I choose presence over pressure. Over time, you're not forcing discipline, you're becoming it. Stand in front of your mirror tomorrow morning, not to judge your hair, but to ask, who do I want to be today? Don't say perfect, say present. We're 1% better. Speak these words today. I will control my energy. I will respond, not react. I will lead, not follow noise. This is your power ritual. It takes 60 seconds, but it sets the tone for 24 hours. People who rise early often have more focus, feel less rushed, make better decisions, respond with calmness, create instead of reacting, and it's not magic. It's because they take ownership of their time before the world does. Shi Heng Yi says, when you win the morning, you no longer chase the day, you lead it. Even 15 minutes of intentional solitude makes you more grounded than hours of scattered action. So here's your invitation for the next 7 days. Wake up 15 minutes earlier, do one thing. Stretch, breathe, write, walk, no phone, commit to 1% better each morning, track your mornings. Protect that first hour, let it become your sacred space. Don't do it for the world, do it